Okay, another weird day at Beaver Creek with a weird problem. We get a lot of weirdo problems because, well, I don't know, that's just fun to work on, weirdo stuff sometimes. So here we have a 2025 EX1 engine in a Valor, EZ-Go Valor, and I'm going to turn it over to Master Technician Chase, who's working on this particular one, and he's going to tell you all the stupid things that are going on with it.
Alrighty, welcome back to the shop, guys. So this cart came in originally. It has a complaint about, first off, it sounds like it's sucking air, and the other issue, the cart died on the customer and they had to push it home. So we got it into the shop, we started looking at it. First, I hooked up the handheld and started looking at all the fault codes, all the previous codes, and then just monitoring overall engine stuff. Didn't really find much there, so was kind of confused, but I kept driving around because I wanted to verify the problem. And as I was driving it, I took a left turn and I turned around, and all of a sudden I couldn't see a foot behind me. There was a puff of white smoke, the biggest I've ever seen out of anything.
I couldn't even see him driving through it.
The biggest I've ever seen. So I thought it was weird. And I let it cool down for a little bit, and I drove it again and it did the same thing. So it seemed like it was engine temperature related. So I was a little bit confused what's going on here. So let it sit, and I was thinking, I ended up discussing it with the other technicians, and we ended up coming to the conclusion of, why don't we check the oil? Because if we're getting hot and it's smoking like crazy, there might be an oil issue. So down here is the dipstick on these EX1 engines. So it was still hot. We grabbed a glove to get this dipstick out. We were gonna check the oil level, and we pulled it off. And well, we said we don't even gotta check it, because down there you could see the oil is all the way up to the top of the engine. There you go. You could see it all the way up there. So that, when you pull these dipsticks out, you shouldn't see any oil visible like that. You should be looking on the dipstick itself. And it should be like halfway in between. We had a little issue with the video there, so just jumping in. Make sure when you're checking the oil in your cart that it's in between the hash marks on the dipstick, using the correct oil and the correct amount. On that case, it was just over full to the max. So when you're doing oil changes or checking your oil, just make sure it's right in the half.
Tell
in
them
between.
how much over
It was about 1.5 quarts to 2 quarts over. So that engine takes like 1.4 quarts, and this one had like 3.5 quarts in it. So just a little high.
Tell them about how much goes in it, because it's pretty much the same every single golf cart.
Pretty much every cart takes like 1.5 quarts. So if you're having to put more than 1.5 quarts in, you're doing something wrong.